Howdy, welcome back to A Texan Shaves, Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements 2025 Advent Calendar, Day 4. Let's get right into it. Let's go to Day 4 right here on the top corner. Oh, what's gonna be? Oh, that perforation is a little tricky there. Oh, it's already fallen out. Let me grab that. And that. And grab the little page. Let's see what we have here. I need my glasses. I'm old. Okay. I don't know if any of y'all are expecting this. Cucumber Fumbler. Looks like we have another gourmand, guys. 4 days in a row, right? There's the splash. And the special ingredient is denatured alcohol, rose hydrosol, essential and fragrance oil. I'm going to have this memorized by the time I'm done. Glycerin, aloe-benzoin resin, and free-range kringle. Nice. Oh, that's cucumber. That's cucumber. All right, let's get some of this splash on the back of the hand. It's very fresh. Okay. It's really fresh, really clean. Little green. All right, let's, here's the sales page. Hopefully I get it all in the screen there. All right. Cucumber Fumbler, and this is actually a Ghost of Christmas Past. I have never heard of this. I need to consult the PAA database more often, I guess. Ghost of Christmas Past. Scent profile is just fresh, soothing cucumber. That's it. There's something else in there, though. There's more. Meet the most overworked elf in the North Pole, the Cucumber Fumbler, Eugene to his elf buds. While others craft toys, he needs Mrs. Claus' tired feet and plops cucumbers on her eyes. A thankless gig, but he does it with crisp, cool precision. This scent honors his quiet sacrifice until the Elves Union gets involved. Cucumber Fumbler is a much-needed revamp of Fran's long-lost cult fave Cucumber, with an exclamation point. This one dates all the way back to 2012. Wow. Though it was only available for a short time, there are some shave cadets that still speak of this refreshing classic. It is refreshing. I can already tell you that just from initial scent on there. Refreshing classic and demand a return. We're looking forward to hearing what the new cadets think after this drop. And there's an image in the background too, and it's pretty much the same image as what's on the thing. I can see Santa in the background, I see Mrs. Claus, and there's the elf there with a bunch of cucumbers and cubes floating around. All right, let me get this set aside. So I'm going to get the lather worked up, get my gear together, and I'll be right back. All right, we're back. I got the lather whipped up again in the travel scuttle, and I am using the Atomic Rocket today. And for the razor, I decided to go with my first razor love from PAA, and that is the Metaphor in stainless steel. Absolutely love this gorgeous razor. So let's get the glasses off and the face wet, and we're going to get the shave going. And let me tell you guys, this thing is a freshie. It is definitely just like the picture depicts, smells like I'm in a spa right now. It really does. Oh, nice, really warm lather with the scuttle. Feels really good on the face. Beautiful. Oh man, this smells incredible. I never thought I would enjoy shaving with cucumber, but I think I do. All right, here we go. Cucumber Fumbler, Day 4, the 2025 Phoenix Artisan Accoutrement Advent Calendar. This has been a crazy calendar so far this year, guys. I can only imagine what's going to be behind the rest of the doors. And for those of you that are still counting the days until I grow my beard and mustache back, I have decided I'm going to wait till after the Advent's done. I'm starting basically January 1. Actually, I'm going to go about the last 4 or 5 days of the month, just let it go without shaving so I can have enough growth to actually get it cut in right. So that's the plan at least. So basically we'll count January 1, New Year's Day, as day 1 of A Texan Shaves Mustache, the Next Generation. Man, this razor's so good. I haven't used it in a while, and now I'm wondering why. Man, something about this scent kind of relaxes me and makes me smile. It's really crazy. Nice. All right, let's go for a second pass. Warm, beautifully warm lather. If you've never used a scuttle before, gentlemen and ladies, give it a try. Treat yourself. And with this particular fragrance, it's really nice having a nice warm lather. Perfect. You know, when I read the label, I was not sure. Probably even saw it on my face. Because I don't do a good job at hiding my feelings on things like that. My face tells all. I like this one a lot, actually. More than I anticipated when I saw what it was. But I always try to give something a chance. Especially in the fragrance world, because I've learned to give my nose and myself time to learn a fragrance. This one hit me right from the beginning. Even though I was second guessing it as soon as I opened that door. You know what it reminds me of, actually? Those of you that like Ava Nice Shave, I was the same on it, even though I bought it as a blind buy. But I'm so glad I did. It's one of my favorites. But this one reminds me of that one. It gives me the same feeling. It gives me the same clean, fresh, relaxed, calm, soothing, smiling feeling as Ava Nice Shave. It's kind of uncanny now that I put those two together, how much it's similar. I like it a lot. You know, even after all the times I've done this now, it still feels foreign to shave this right here. And I think it always will. All right. Man, that is so good. All right, gonna get a rinse, come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. All right. Woo, that was a good shave. Very good shave. Man, I forgot how much I like that razor. All right. Cucumber Fumbler. Very funny name. Let's get some of this in. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's good. Cucumber, straight up. Wow, fresh, juicy. Yeah, like I can't taste it, but I can. It puts me in the frame of mind that I've had some. Why was that so hard for me to put into words? Oh, that smells so good. There's something else there. It's got a cologne-esque vibe to it as well, so there's something more in there than just cucumbers. It's a bit of, and because of the cucumber itself, I'm sure it's giving me an aquatic vibe, but there's something else in there giving me that vibe with it that's supporting it. It's really nice. That is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fragrance. All right, so that's day 4 of the 2025 Advent Calendar. Hope everyone is having as much fun as I am. Let me know down below what you think of day 4 if you've opened the calendar, or what you think of day 4 if you haven't. Find your peace in what and where you can. Have a Merry Christmas. We'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.